Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you a remote starter on a Range Rover Sport 2012. In this vehicle we have used the CompuStar one-way remote, the R3 Pro, so that comes with one button with approximately 3,000 feet range. There's also a version of a two-way, but in this case it's the one-way. And to start the car we're going to hold the start button until we're going to have the start showing us on the remote. The vehicle will receive the command. In a few seconds the car will start. The vehicle will be running for a set time that we set for it and allows you to go into the car and drive away. In this case you press unlock on the remote, either factory or aftermarket, have a seat in the car, press the brake and you can drive away. Turn the car off and get home. Remote starters for Range Rovers available at Car System Installation. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.